Eric, while parts of the state are seeing snow this morning, most of the state is getting ready for another round of strong wind, as Eric just mentioned. Reporter Alyssa Munoz continues our team coverage. Alyssa, wind can cause more than just allergies.
Royal, that's right. A local eye doctor actually tells me a lot of people have been coming in with dry eyes or sand in their eyes, and that can be harmful. Now, if you get debris or dirt in your eyes, doctors say don't rub it because it can scratch your cornea. If you wear contacts, the wind can also dry out your eyes and the lens, which can make irritation worse and even lead to a bigger scratch. Instead, they recommend rinsing your eye with sterile saline solution or using artificial tears. Ophthalmologist Robert Melendez says even blinking can help because it brings in fresh tears from your eyelids that can wash out the debris.
Last tip for you is to wear wraparound glasses if you have some. Not everyone has those, or some goggles that form a seal. Regular glasses, unfortunately, will not protect the eyes because you still got that wind coming in sort of from this lateral direction, and that too can dry the eyes out.
Now, if you have symptoms like blurry vision or decreased vision, redness or pain, you should go get checked. Reporting live, I'm Alyssa Munoz, KOAT Action 7 News.